Good morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th Maths and our chapter is running out polynomial. You know student, this is revision time because it's exam time. आपकी exam है date 6 को. Okay, so we revise first, second and third chapter turn by turn. Okay, in this chapter we have learned what is polynomial, meaning of polynomial, what is degree of polynomial, and how we define the polynomial from its degree. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then we can say that it's a linear polynomial. If degree is 2, then we can say that it's quadratic, and if degree is 3, we can say that it's a cubic polynomial. Okay, example of linear polynomial is ax plus b. If we can say example of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, and cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, this type. And if the polynomial having degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay, and according to its term we can divide polynomial into many other types. Okay, that is monomial. If there is only one term, then we can say that it's a monomial. If there is degree 2, then we can say that it's binomial. 3 degree is called trinomial. Okay, or sorry, 3 terms, then we say that it's a trinomial. 4 term that is called it's monomial, multimonomial. Okay, so this type we have divided the polynomial in different way. Okay, understand? So how we find the value of the polynomial for a given value of the variable? So in this chapter we can see how we find the value of polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, and we can see what is remainder theorem. Okay, we see the remainder theorem and how to find the root of the equation. The remainder theorem is said that let px be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and alpha be a real number. If px is divided by x minus alpha, then the remainder is p alpha. ओके, अगर हम किसी नंबर को x माइनस अल्फ़ा से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या हो सकता है? p अल्फ़ा हो सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज़ अवर रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. एंड व्हाट अबाउट फैक्टर्स? Factor theorem tell us if px is a polynomial of degree less than degree greater than or equal to less than or equal to 1 and alpha is a real number, then x minus alpha is a factor of px if p alpha is equal to 0. Means if remainder is 0, then we can say that p alpha is a factor of x minus alpha is a factor of px. Okay, understand? So these are main theorem we can learn in this chapter. We can learn in this chapter some identities also, that is x plus y whole square and x minus y whole square, x square minus y square, x plus a into x plus b and so on. So so we learn these identities in this chapter. Okay, now let's see what type of question you can see in your exam. Okay, so multiple choice question is there. How to solve it? If we want we have this type of question: if x square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3 for all x, then the value of k is. So see, we have टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, मीन्स x प्लस 2 भी x का फैक्टर है, x प्लस 3 भी इसका फैक्टर है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, सो x इज इक्वल टू -2 एंड x इज इक्वल टू -3 इज द zeros of this polynomial. So you have put the value of x in this equation and find the value of k. Okay, understand? Which one of the following is a polynomial? So see, if we want to, I think we have done these questions in our previous video. So now let's see some true and false. Write whether the following statement are true or false. Justify your answer. A binomial can have at most 2 terms. Because it's a false, because a binomial has exactly 2 terms. Okay, not at most, it's exactly 2 terms. Okay, every polynomial is a binomial, it's also false because x cube plus x plus 1 is a polynomial but not a binomial. ओके हम कोई भी एक 3 टर्म्स ट्राइनोमियल और कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. पोलिनोमियल ओनली बाइनोमियल नहीं होते, मोनोमियल भी होते हैं, ट्राइनोमियल भी होते हैं, मल्टी मोनोमियल भी होते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इट्स अ फॉल्स. ओके अंडरस्टैंड? अ बाइनोमियल में हैव डिग्री 5. Binomial may have degree 5. True, because a binomial is a polynomial whose degree is a whole number greater than or equal to 1. So degree can be 5 also. Okay, binomial में degree 5 भी हो सकती है. Understand? Now 0 of a polynomial is always 0. This is also false because 0 of a polynomial can be any real number. Okay, understand? A polynomial can not have more than 1 0. Polynomial may not have more than 1 0. It's a false because a polynomial can have only any number of 0. It depend upon the degree of the polynomial. Okay, we can talk about it. Okay, the degree of the sum of two polynomial each of degree 5 is always 5. It's also false because x to the power 5 plus 1 and x to the power हम कोई भी एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं जैसे माइनस एक्स की पावर 5 प्लस 2x प्लस 3 आर टू पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 5 बट द डिग्री ऑफ द सम ऑफ द टू पोलिनोमियल इज 1. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो अ short answer question having. Okay, let's take some more examples. Suppose verify whether the following are true or false. So what we can say that first is minus 3 is a 0 of x minus 3. It's false because x minus 3 is equal to 0. When we put, then our value of x is plus 3. So the 0 of this polynomial is plus 3, not minus 3. Okay, so it's a false statement. Okay, minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of 3x plus 1. So what we do, yes, it's a true because if we write 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x is equal to minus 1, so x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So its statement is true. Minus 4 by 5 is a 0 of 4 minus 5y. So it's false because if we write 4 minus 5y is equal to 0, so 4 is equal to 5y or y is equal to 4 upon 5, that is plus 4 upon 5, not minus 4 upon 5. Okay, 0 and 2 are the 0 of t square minus 2t. t square minus 2t का 0 है zeros. अगर 0 minus 0 that is 0 and t square means 4 minus 2 into 2 that is 4 again 0. So yes, that is true. Okay, understand? minus 3 is a 0 of these. जब आपको ऐसा कुछ दिया रहता है तो आपको क्या करना है, उसमें उसे पुट करके देखना है. तो माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 3 माइनस 6, सो इट्स 9 minus 3 minus 6 that is 9 minus 9 that is 0. So it's a true statement. Okay, understand? Now let's see this type of example. Give an example of polynomial which is monomial of degree 1. So you can write it 7x only 2x plus 5. Okay, so this type you have write down the polynomial of degree 1. If binomial of degree 2, if you want to binomial, then you have to write x to the power 20 plus 1 or 2x x की power 20 या 2y की power 20 plus 2. Okay, this type you have to write. Okay, trinomial of degree 2, 2x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so you have to write many of the example. Okay, find the value of the polynomial these when x is equal to 3 and also when x is equal to minus 3. So what you can do, you have to put the value of x in the polynomial and you and then find the value of this polynomial. Okay, understand? So this is the way to find the value of the polynomial. Question number 9 देखिए, p0 p1 and p minus 2 means you have to put the value of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. Understand? Okay, so this type you have to solve the questions. Find the zeros of the polynomial x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. See, अगर यहाँ पर हमें इस टाइप से कुछ दिख रहा है तो हम इसे ले लेंगे x माइनस 2 को हम लेंगे a और x प्लस 2 को ले लेंगे b, मीन्स a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर बन गया, तो ये हमारा हो जाएगा a प्लस बी और a माइनस बी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द दिस polynomial. Okay, understand? And you have to find this type. If question is px is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 and gx is equal to x plus 1. So first of all you put gx is equal to x plus 1 and gx is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So this is your value of x put in the polynomial. Okay, आपको इसको इस वैल्यू को कहाँ रखना है, पी एक्स में रखना है, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या ये उसका ज़ीरो है और नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस टाइप यू हैव सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एंड so student, in this chapter we have learned polynomial in one variable, zeros of a polynomial, remainder theorem, factorization of polynomial and algebraic identities. Okay, what is constant? A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. What is variable? A symbol which may be assigned different numerical value is known as variable. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable connected by sum or all of the operation, that is plus and minus x, and is known as algebraic expression. Means उसमें variable भी होना चाहिए, operations भी होने चाहिए. Okay, and so that is called algebraic expression. Okay, what is term? The several part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus operation are called the terms of an expression. Okay, understand? Polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the variable involved have only non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. Okay, understand? So what is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variable involved have only non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. 5x square minus 4x square minus 6x minus 3 is a polynomial in variable x. But 5 plus 8x to the power 3 by 2 plus 4x की power minus 2 is an expression but not a polynomial. Polynomial are denoted by px, qx or rx etc. Understand? Now what do you mean by coefficient? In the polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, इनमें कोफिशिएंट क्या है? एक्स क्यूब का कोफिशिएंट होगा 1, एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट होगा 3 एंड एक्स का कोफिशिएंट होगा 3. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड वी ऑल्सो से दैट प्लस 1 इज़ द कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म इन इट. कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म भी है इसमें बिकॉज प्लस 1 इज़ द कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म. ओके, डिग्री ऑफ अ पोलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. इन केस ऑफ पोलिनोमियल in one variable, the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Okay, डिग्री के हिसाब से हमने उसे बांटा है लीनियर, क्वाड्रेटिक, क्यूबिक एंड बाई क्वाड्रेटिक. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड टर्म्स के नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स के हिसाब से हमने उसे बांटा है मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल एंड ट्राइनोमियल. ओके, कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल. व्हाट इज कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल? अ पोलिनोमियल containing one term only consisting a constant term is called a constant polynomial. The degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Okay, 0. What is zero polynomial? A polynomial consists of one term normally, namely 0 only, is called a zero polynomial. The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, zero of a polynomial, let px be a polynomial. If p alpha is equal to 0, then we say that is a zero of the polynomial of px. Okay student, these are the notes. आप इसे नोट्स के रूप में भी रख सकते हैं अपने पास में. These are notes for polynomial and it's also helpful to you. Understand? Now zeros of the polynomial, let px be a polynomial and p alpha is equal to 0, then we can say that is a zero of the polynomial of px. Okay, understand? Now finding the zero of polynomial px means solving the equation px is equal to 0. हमें क्या रखना है, उसको px को 0 के इक्वल रख देना है. Understand? So this type we have to solve the equation or solve the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, now what is remainder theorem? Remainder theorem tell us if fx be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number when fx is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is fa. So remainder become fa. Okay, and in a factor theorem, that is factor theorem told us let fx be a polynomial of degree n is greater than 1 and let a be any real number, then fa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of fx and x minus a is a factor of fx, then fa is equal to 0. Okay, understand? So factor of polynomial px is called factor of qx divided qx exactly, means जिस नंबर से हम उससे पूरा पूरा डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, that is called factor of the polynomial. And again factorization to express a given polynomial as the product of polynomial each of degree less than that of the given polynomial such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree is called the factorization. Okay, understand? And we know that identities of the polynomial. Okay, so solve the questions carefully. Okay, this is our revision of chapter 2, that is polynomial. Okay, have a good day.